right enough to spiral. Just keep going and going.
Yeah, just fucking beat people.
What are you checking the house? Hey, this is nice.
Where do you want to go? Get nice pictures and
Look
everything.
at that sun though.
Banging weather.
Yeah, lad. What are you saying about it, Harris?
Banging weather, bro. Banging weather.
There's your information.
Fast sprint.
You got this. Keep going. Keep going. We left this kid at the bottom, right, to lock the car. So we went a little bit ahead of him, but he's caught up now, so it's all good. Was it locked? Yeah. Was it locked?
That's what I like to see, sweating.
That's it, lad. Is this it? Yeah.
Yeah, this is it, boys.
Made it.
Start seeing it.
After how long? How long was the walk? About half an hour, 40 minutes.
Yo, you should have put a better tower.
Yeah, man.
Liverpool.
Where's Bradford? Liverpool.
Yes, our ends, boys. Right, that's a legit horse,
Go on, guys, give it a throw.
isn't it?
I think it's a big one, bro.
Whoa. Look at that.
Yeah, you can get
Okay,
anywhere.
anyway, yeah.
It's not there. I think you got stuck in the tree.
Right. Right, it's just there.
Is it? Where? Oh, yeah. What the? I legit thought you lost it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, that's no doubt, bro. That's hard. Go on, back.
Hope you enjoyed the drone shots. And we're just heading back down now.
Aim on that tree. Right up the top.
So how old is that?
7 years.
My man carved his name 7 years ago and it's still there.
Great that way.
Is it speed? On a bike. There's a Yo, we made it back to the bottom in about half hour, something like that, 45 minutes. Good fun anyway though. Woo.
Yeah.
I need the only you rent it. Word. Whoa. Step in the spotty and watch how they panic. Yeah, we the duo, you know we dynamic. When we outside, we be stopping the traffic. Breaking their necks, them they upset.